Good afternoon, everybody. This is a video regarding our last demonstration in class, but I thought about recording it again just to make sure that you got the right instruction. Okay, so this is one of the customized example that I uploaded on Blackboard, and I will also attach the files so that you can recreate and try to do this one on your own. Okay, so let's say for example you're trying to get your own car. You want to have your own car, and let's say for example you would like to shop for that car that you really like, and you can afford $400 to pay as a monthly payment for your car. So our goal, our objective for this video is to be able to use a financial function called PMT, which is payment, and then we're also going to practice your what if analysis and goal C, okay, using this example. So you have a loan amount of 20,000. You have terms 60 months. What's that? That's about 5 years. And we're going to find out what will be the interest rate that you needed to find outside if you can afford $400 for your monthly payment. So, given 20,000 and 60,000, the maximum number of years for the car loan, we need to set up a function on B5. Let's click on formulas. Make sure you're in B5. Go to financial. Under your function library, financial, scroll down and go to PMT, which is this one. This is the window that is missing on collaborate, and it won't allow me to switch back and forth. So I thought about this is even better because you would see it on um, a better view. So you have three fields in here. What we're going to do on rate. What is rate, by the way? This is the interest rate per period for the loan. So if you're going to use 6% divided by 4, if you want to pay for 4 quarterly payments, you're going to divide it by 4. So what we're going to do here is to have B4 divided by 12. Okay. For me, I would rather have it set up as 12 payments because I won't be able to afford quarterly payments. So let's have a realistic scenario in here. So I'm going to divide it by 12. NPER is it calculates the payment for a loan based on a constant payment and a constant interest rate. And this NPER is the total number of payments for the loan. So total number of payments is going to be what? This is your 20,000. Now for the PV, oh, I'm sorry, for the NPER, this is actually for the NPR, again, NPR is the total number of payments for that. So this one should be B3 actually. All right. So let me just remove that and B3 because that's like the total number of payments. You're going to pay 60 months, right? PV, that's the 20,000. That's the present value. So I'm going to click B2. I'm going to click OK. And if you notice, it turned 333.33. That gives you a wrong answer. And notice that how come it's showing 333, it didn't even show 400. So let me explain what happened for this example. Since our interest rate is actually empty or it's blank, Microsoft Excel is assuming that the interest rate is zero. So what happened? So the payment that is showing on your screen right now gives us an incorrect answer. So we're going to fix that by using a what if analysis. Okay. So make sure that you are in B5. Go to data. Go to forecast group. Click what if analysis. Click goal seek, and the B5 is already highlighted, right? So notice that in here, we're going to do to value. So since the B5 is already selected, you can actually click it again, or since it's already there, that's totally fine. Now for to value, we're going to what? We're going to have a monthly payment. But on the PMT function, we actually need to see a negative value here. So we need to type minus 400 because it needs to be minus 400 because that amount is being subtracted from the loan when you make a payment. right? So you need to kind of deduct that as you actually pay so that you would know that your loan is reduced. Because once you pay, obviously it's going to reduce that price. By changing cell, this is the empty cell. So on this example, that is what? That is, we're looking for that interest rate. That is B4. Okay, so click OK. There you go. There you have it. At least now this looks correct. We need to find about a 7% or a 7.2% to match the $400 that we can afford. There you have it, my dear students. Feel free to try this again so that you can give me a feedback if it's working on your end. I will also attach the PDF instruction for this so you can follow the step-by-step instruction. I'll see you in the next live video.